Hey guys, let's talk about how you can show your name here on the iPhone lock screen. It's very simple. You just need to come here to the control center and here just tap on this and you're gonna create a new focus. So just tap on it and here you can select custom and insert your name. I'll type here just my name as an example and you can select any icon that you want. Let me just select this one, for example. Hit next, customize, and you're good to go. You don't need to change anything here. You're not controlling notification. You just need to leave this part here. And now you just come back again here and you just tap and hold and you select the one that you just created. Okay, it's on right now. You see it? And then you can just block your screen. And then when you tap on it, you see here my name. So it's available here and it's working. Okay. So that's the way you can have your name on the lock screen on your iPhone. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.